Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial. How to use WhatsApp on your iPad without your phone in 2025. With WhatsApp's evolving features, it's now easier than ever to stay connected on the go, even if your phone is out of reach. Whether you're traveling, working from home, or just want more flexibility, this method leverages WhatsApp's multi-device support to keep you chatting seamlessly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your iPad is updated to the latest iPad OS. Aim for 2025 versions which include better web app integrations. Open Safari or your preferred browser on your iPad and head to web.whatsapp.com. This is WhatsApp Web, the key to unlocking WhatsApp on your tablet without constantly needing your phone. Now, if this is your first time, you'll need to link it initially. Grab your phone, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, and select Linked Devices. Scan the QR code displayed on your iPad's screen with your phone's camera. Once linked, WhatsApp on your iPad will sync your chats, and in 2025, thanks to enhanced features, you can use it independently for up to 14 days without your phone being online. Step 3. Customize your experience. On your iPad, you'll see all your conversations just like on your phone. You can send messages, make calls, and even share media directly from the iPad. Remember, for the best performance, keep your iPad connected to Wi-Fi, as this setup relies on a stable internet connection. One important tip: always log out when you're done to keep your account secure, especially on a shared device. Also, note that some features like certain stickers or live location might still require your phone occasionally, but for everyday use, this is a game changer. There you have it. Using WhatsApp on your iPad without your phone is straightforward and efficient in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.